Yeah, you listen. They were came out. No, they came out anyway. So I put them back in, and they was coming back out. So I moved the box because they were smacking the face. I don't like them smacking the face. She's having fun. Is it the same kitten every time?
Yes. Nobody looks. Kitten everywhere. No. There you go. Oh.
Took you 1.5 minutes to get tired of it. No, look, okay, watch this. They'll probably come out in a minute.
Because the door's closed.
They flipping did.
They didn't. You moved it to the pod.
They got out before.
No, they didn't.
That's because the door is open.
Thank you.
It has to be like that.
It was always closed. Open.
No, it was closed because I closed it this morning.
The naughty kittens opened it then.
Yeah, Delilah.
You're not getting out, alright?
Tonight you are so pretty, yes you do. You know how.
Why has he got his paw stuck up in his head?
Meow. Meow.
That one's got his paw. Oh no, it's down.
Meow.
It's dark.
Meow. Meow.
Oi.
What are you? Meow. Come on, look out.
Oh, we know who the troublemaker is. Delilah.
What?
She's just been pushing the door open and now starting fights.
Oh, Delilah.
There was all calm and then you put Delilah in, she pushed the door.
Darling.
And she's
'Cause she's different.
Look, and you. That's you.
She's the only one different to everyone else and I'm jealous. Yeah, Delilah. Oh my darling.
Hey
There
there,
you are.
Delilah, what's it like
Oh,
in
darling.
Sophie's hands? Really annoying because she's grabbing you. And then you're flinching off. Will you stop fighting? Oi!
You can go back if you don't cause any trouble. Yeah.
Hello, this is the big cat house. Which one has been evicted? They're all trying to get. I'm a kitten, get me out of here. Oh, I feel so for her. She's always getting attacked. Okay.
Oh.
Pick her up. Let go of me, let go of me.
I want you. Come back here.
You got all of the noises.
We're going to be really late. Okay, go. Go.
Come on then.